In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Axos Bank online in 2025. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the official Axos Bank website. You can do this by simply typing in their URL, which is www.axosbank.com, into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you will want to navigate to the credit card options. These can usually be found under either the personal or borrow sections. Take your time to explore the different credit card options available. Each card will have its own set of features, benefits, fees, and eligibility requirements, so it's important to choose the one that best matches your needs and financial situation. Once you've found a card that you're interested in, click on it to get more detailed information. This is where you can really deep dive into understanding what you're signing up for, which is crucial. You'll see information about the benefits, possible rewards, fees associated, and the eligibility requirements for applying. After you've done your research and are satisfied with your choice, you're ready to start the application process. You'll notice an Apply Now button, which you'll click to begin. This will open up the application form which you need to complete. It's very important to fill out this form accurately and to the best of your ability. The details you'll typically need to include are your full name, contact information, social security number, or individual taxpayer identification number, your annual income and employment details, and your housing information, including whether you rent or own your home and any mortgage details if applicable. After you've completed filling out the form, take a moment to review all the details you've provided. Double check for any mistakes or omissions, because incorrect information could delay the processing time or even affect the approval of your application. Once you are sure everything is correct and complete, go ahead and submit your application. Following submission, you will need to wait for Axos Bank to process your application. This part of the process involves a review of the information you provided, and the bank may run a credit check to verify your credit worthiness as part of their standard procedure. Once the bank has made a decision, they will notify you of the outcome. If your application is approved, congratulations. Your new credit card will be sent to you by mail. And that's it. By following these steps, you can apply for a credit card with Axos Bank online smoothly and efficiently. Remember, understanding each step in the application process and ensuring all your information is filled out accurately is key to a successful application. Good luck, and I hope you get the credit card that's right for you.